Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: genuine lightning cable, cellular data active, and iPhone unlocked. Once done, open settings, then personal hotspot, and flip it on so the phone advertises the USB tether. Now plug the phone into your computer, and when prompted, tap Trust and enter your passcode. That step negotiates the secure link. Make sure the phone shows the tethering icon. This initial handshake is what allows your computer to see the iPhone as a network interface. You now set up the computer side so traffic flows over USB. For Mac OS, open System Settings, choose Network, pick iPhone USB, and confirm it has an IP address. Apply changes. For Windows, ensure Apple mobile device support and drivers are installed, then open Network Connections and enable the iPhone adapter. If other interfaces conflict, temporarily disable Wi-Fi or Ethernet so the system prefers the USB link. Once configured, test by loading a web page to verify packets go through the iPhone. You wrap up by confirming internet access. Open a browser and load a site. Make sure to monitor cellular usage in settings to avoid surprises. When finished, disconnect the cable and turn off personal hotspot to conserve battery and data. If things go wrong, try the common fixes. Toggle personal hotspot off and on, reboot both iPhone and computer, install or update the USB/network drivers, and as a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone. These steps resolve most USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.